Tonight we have an easy, classic, affordable meal. Some pork neck bones. We're going to go ahead and show you how we're going to hook them up. So I finally learned how to make these pork neck bones the right way from my mother-in-law. She done showed me a nice, good way to make them where they nice and tender and they be falling off the bone. So you're just going to take your neck bones, go ahead and put it in some water. Go ahead and get them cleaned up. Alright. And you want to make sure you clean in between the bones right there. So I'm going to go ahead and clean these thoroughly, just like that. Get all the slime off of it. And then we'll be ready to go ahead and season them up. Alright, so I got the neck bones in the pot. And today I'm using this Dutch oven because I want that top on it to seal these neck bones and cook them down real good. Now to these neck bones, we're going to go ahead and add an onion. And then we're going to go ahead and season them a little bit with this chicken and poultry rub. Y'all know it's pork. You don't need a lot, but you still got to add a little bit of, you know, something to these. And then I have a little bit of seasoning right here. Go ahead and add some of that. Now the key to cooking these, where I was going wrong before, I was adding a bunch of liquid to these neck bones to the point it wasn't giving me that soulful flavor that I was looking for. But my mother-in-law, she makes some of the best neck bones. And it has that rich broth that you're looking for. And the meat is just cooked down and tender and falling off the bone. So the trick is not to add a lot of liquid. Let me show you. Before we do that, just go ahead and rub those seasonings around. Make sure everything gets nice and coated. And I'm just seasoning them right in the same pan so I don't have to dirty up anything. Now I'm just going to add just enough water so that the bottom of this pan is coated. I'm going to add a little bit more. I'm just going to add just a little bit more because this pan cooks fast and I don't want the stuff to burn at the bottom. Now, the reason why you're not going to add a lot of water to it is because you want that gelatin from them pork bones to go ahead and seep out and make that broth. And that's what's going to give your neck bones that sultry taste that you're looking for. So now that we got that done, we're going to go ahead and put the top on it. Quick and easy, simple. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and start to cook this. I'm going to bring it up to temperature, bring it up to a little boil, and then I'm going to cut it down low. And I'm going to check it in between to see if I need to add some more water, and we're going to go from there. So I'm just showing you guys really quick, this is what you're looking for. Now that it's coming up to this rolling boil, I'm going to go ahead and cut the heat down. And you can see right here how much liquid is in here as it cooks. This liquid is going to evaporate down. So if I need to add some more water, then I'll just come back and add some more water. But this is just enough that you want to start out with. And this top right here is locking in all of that steam to go ahead and cook down them neck bones just how we want it. So I'm going to go ahead and put the timer on. And we're going to cook it for at least an hour. Alright. Okay, so this is what the neck bones are looking like an hour in, and as you can see, they are nowhere near done yet, especially as tender as we want them yet. So we're gonna go ahead and just keep cooking them down. But do you see how much liquid is still in the pan? I'm just going to add just a little bit more and continue cooking these down for about another hour, and we'll check it again. But the method to this is low and slow and less liquid, and we're going to get that final result that's going to be so good. Keep watching.
It's a sad day here.
Get out the pot.
Get out the pot.
So it's kind of hard to get this picture perfect video at the end, y'all. So I just put them in this little serving dish right here. Y'all know neck bones. As they get nice and tender, they start falling off the bone. But they just show them real quick how tender they are.
Real quick. Look at that. You just peel it straight off.
Yep. And then you got your hot sauce right here. You can go ahead and put some of that hot sauce. The kids were supposed to make some rice, but we just gonna go ahead and...
got distracted.
Yeah. The daddy would go in with the meatiest piece.
Yep.
Fitting for the dad. Lather it up with your favorite hot sauce.
And we good.
And then there you go. It come right off the bone.
Oh, yeah.
See y'all later.